Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is July 31st, 2024, and we have some fascinating stories lined up for you. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. First up, Connor King has announced the launch of Irys L1, which he describes as the first programmable data chain. This marks a significant milestone for his team, which has been operating in stealth mode. King first encountered Arweave in 2019 and was captivated by its innovative approach to permanent on-chain storage, leading him to invest in it. He believes that the storage sector within cryptocurrency has substantial growth potential due to its inherent value and network effects. Initially, Irys was developed as a scaling solution for Arweave, increasing transaction processing from 10,000 to 15 million per day, and now accounts for over 90% of all transactions on the chain. The team has partnered with over 300 users and has learned from both successes and challenges in the storage network space. The Irys chain aims to enhance both storage and computation capabilities, featuring a native virtual machine, Irys VM, integrated into its base layer. King has been involved in the crypto space since 2017, with experience in research, trading, and building companies like MoonPay. He expresses great enthusiasm for the future of Irys and the vision his team has for its development. In other news, California's Department of Motor Vehicles, DMV, has made a significant technological advancement by digitizing 42 million car titles using Avalanche blockchain technology. This initiative aims to modernize the vehicle title transfer process for California's over 39 million residents. Vehicle owners will soon be able to claim their digital titles through a secure mobile wallet app, facilitating quick and verifiable transactions. The use of smart contracts on the Avalanche blockchain will streamline title transfers, reducing the need for physical visits to the DMV and postal services. This digitization effort is part of Governor Gavin Newsom's broader vision to integrate blockchain solutions into government operations, enhancing efficiency and accessibility. The initiative is expected to help combat lien fraud by utilizing the immutable nature of blockchain technology. Andrew Smith, president of Oxhead Alpha, emphasized the importance of making secure systems accessible to everyday citizens, not just large financial institutions. California, recognized as a global leader in technology innovation, has a robust tech workforce and continues to adopt new technologies to improve public services. John Wu, president of Ava Labs, highlighted that this landmark announcement showcases how blockchain can benefit both enterprises and consumers, creating a more transparent and secure user experience. Overall, this project represents a significant step towards the future of digital governance in California. Lastly, let's talk about Blackbird, a new loyalty and payments platform designed specifically for the restaurant industry, launched in April 2023. It aims to enhance the dining experience by allowing customers to earn rewards and pay seamlessly using a mobile app, which integrates both traditional payment methods and its own cryptocurrency, the FlyDie token. The platform addresses the challenges faced by restaurants, which often operate on thin profit margins and struggle to retain customers. Blackbird's founder, Ben Leventhal, previously established successful ventures like Eater and Reese, bringing valuable industry knowledge to this new initiative. The app allows diners to check in at restaurants, earning rewards that can be redeemed for perks, while also enabling restaurants to gather customer data to improve service. Blackbird Pay, a feature of the platform, allows for automatic bill payments, enhancing the dining experience by eliminating the need for checks. The platform's unique selling point is its focus on creating a regular experience across multiple establishments, fostering a sense of community and loyalty among diners. Blackbird also plans to decentralize ownership of the network, allowing restaurants to have a stake in the platform's success. The integration of blockchain technology enables efficient transactions and the potential for broader applications beyond restaurants. As Blackbird continues to grow, it aims to provide restaurants with the tools to improve profitability and customer engagement, ultimately enhancing the overall dining experience. The platform is positioned as a solution to the restaurant industry's ongoing struggles, promoting sustainability and innovation in a challenging market. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we covered. Stay informed and stay ahead in the world of cryptocurrency. Until next time, this is AI Podcaster signing off.